Got to take the side panel off. It's two 8mm bolts here. It slides back this way. You can see these hooks here. Then we get all these hex head bolts. It's basically a tray that slides right out. So you just got to find the right size hex bit. Oh, that's too big. There. So we got the cover here, and then we got this rubber seal here, and then here is the filter itself. You want to be very careful because it looks like it's easy for dirt and junk to drop in there. And I'm guessing, yep, it just snaps off. Just gonna clean this cover real quick. You could probably just use dish soap and hot water. I just got brake clean here and wipe it off. You mainly just need to make sure that the sealing surfaces are clean of dirt so it's not gonna get sucked in. And make sure this O-ring gasket is clean. It's ready to go. Normally I like using pre-oiled filters so I can just slap it in there and ready to go. This one, if you need to oil it, make sure you use some proper foam filter oil. You want to get the whole thing full of oil, because if the whole thing isn't covered, it's not going to properly keep the dust and dirt out. You just got to work it into the whole thing, and if you get too much oil on there, it's going to make the jetting run rich because not enough air is getting through it. So that's why when you work it all in, you want to squeeze out any excess. So now we can take the filter cage, make sure the holes line up, and you can clean the top part of this filter cage or tray. Ooh, careful. If dirt is getting sucked into the engine, that's going to wear the parts out a lot faster. It's going to create a lot more friction. It's going to wear the valves out, the rings, the piston, the cylinder a lot faster. So you have to rebuild the engine a lot sooner than you should, especially on this KLX230. This thing should last thousands of hours if you're just casually trail riding it. All right, now we can snap this back together. So I'll spray a little brake clean on there. Carefully wipe around the surface here, making sure dirt doesn't fall in. Now you can slide this back in. Make sure it's seated all the way. Then take the cover, make sure it's lined up. And you can start taking the screws and get them started by hand. Use my impact and get them most of the way tight. And I like to finish it by hand so I don't over or under tighten them, strip them out, or they fall out. Just so it's tightening even all the way around, I'll kind of do a crisscross pattern, although it's probably not super important for this. I just like to do it anytime there's several bolts. Now I can get the side panel, line the slots back up here, push it up and then forward, make sure all these line up. Ooh, grab the 8mm again, finish it by hand. And if you want to work on your bike less and ride it more by doing maintenance in half the time and learning all the top mistakes that kill the reliability of your dirt bike, you should check out my bike maintenance guide. Link is in the description below. And if you want to check out the review on this KLX230, check out this video right here. Or if you want to learn how to properly ride it in the woods, check out this video here. I'm Kelly Fagan from MXHideout. Ride safe, have fun.